Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how this cv-lite.com is going to work to create resume in just a minute. So here, as you can see, I'm already made an account with this website. So if you want to create an account, so you have to go to this cv-lite.com. So until this date that I'm making this resume with this app, so it's not free, so you have to pay, but later on maybe it's going to change. So the first thing, when your account is going to log in, so here as you can see for the dashboard I'm already made this. As you can see, we can click delete, or we can duplicate, or we can click download, or we can edit this as well. So this is a really fast tool. It's going to create this CV templates in just minutes, so it's not going to waste your time. So let me show you how this is going to work. So the first thing, we click on the create new. So it's going to show us all the templates that's available with this website. So as you can see here, we have different templates available for the resume. So this is one of the most selected that you can edit or download it in two format, the PDF and also for the Word as well. So here we are going to use this one. So let me select this, and here is going to ask me, how do you want to build a resume? Create a new one, or I already have a resume. So if you have any resume available and you want to upload that, so simply you're going to select this one. But if you want to create a new one, so you have to click on create a new resume. So we're going to select this one. So as you can see, it's going to show me this resume here. So simply I can type my name, I can just type my address, I can type my city. So here I can type my phone number as well. So here, if I want to include my email, so it's really important to include your phone and email when you want to create your resume, because most of the people's actually forget to insert the active email inside their resume. So you have to be careful about that, to give your active emails, because most of the invitation for interview is going to be sent by the email. So we are going to click next for the experience. So as you can see here, it's asked me that I can add my employment. So this is really cool interface. As you can see, this is really simple, and also is going to show you this preview as well. So let's try make an add employment. So I'm going to add, like, let's try this CEO for Bina. So here I'm going to select something like 2019 January. So end date was this January 2024. So the city was Finland. So I currently work here. If you want to check this, so also you can describe your list of all this for this job that you did. Like, let's try, I was working to taking backup from users network. So this is going to be my job responsibility, so I want to add them all. Network configuration, and here I'm going to type network installation, Windows setup. So if you have more, so simply you can bring it here. As you can see, a phrase per written by AI. So if I select this one, so this is going to generate me or phrase the idea suggestion that is going to, like, I can add expand this backup process, scaled configuration, an optimized network, and I can experiment in conducting a seamless network installation. So here let's try something like okay, I think it's enough. So as you can see now my experience is added here. So if you work for a different company, so simply you are going to add another one. So now we are going to click next to add our education. So now we are going to click continue. So here we are going to add an education. So first thing you are going to add, we are going to Harvard. Add this school, select this high school diploma. Graduation date is going to be 1992. The city was New York. So here I can type my description. So if I want to say something like specialization in math, so then we're going to phrases per written by the AI. So it's going to suggest us something like we want to add, this top tier mathematics skill set on it through dedicated study. As you can see, we can add more similar that we have here, like this strong track record of this scholastic achievement and demanding curriculum. And as you can see, this powered AI is really going to help me. So the seconds I'm going to add my college. So for this video is going to take too much time, so that's why I just wanted to show you how to add your education as well. So now we're going to click next. So as you can see here, if I click on the add scale, so simply I can add my scale. So the first skill that I have here, that I'm a computer expert. I think we missed this T, computer expert. So here we can select the level, like low level. We can go with this scaleful, or we can go with the expert as well. So simply we are going to add another scale as well. So here I'm going to type AI art expert. So this is also going to be this expert. So as you can see, hide experience level. So if I'm going to select this, so this is going to hide the experience level, but I want to add this expert to my CV. As you can see, it's show me this expert here. So simply I'm going to click next to this summary. So here, as you can see, include up to 3 sentences that describe your general experience. So here I'm going to add like I am really very expert in computer studies and also expert in AI tools. So simply, as you can see here, if I click, so this is going to generate or refresh. I'm a professional, a high level of expertise in the field of computer studies. So as you can see, this tool is a really cool tool. So we are going to use this as our summary for your professionalism. So here we are done with this. So simply we are going to click next to finish this. So as you can see here, we have this templates, like we can go with different ones. So if I want to select this Sydney, So the looks is going to be something like this. So also I can change the color. So here, as you can see, and we have this different fonts available. So here, if I select this color, so everything is going to be changed. So I can select a different language for my resume as well. So as you can see, if I go with this French, so it's going to change me this resume language to the French. So let's try something like we want to make this to this Azerbaijan. So as you can see here, it's changed. So we want to use this as a English. So simply we are going to find this English. And also, as you can see, for the personal information, for job title, I can give it like IT manager, and you can upload your photos as well if you want to. So here, as you can see, I can edit all that education, and also I can add my website and social links, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or some other professional profile. And here we have this skill as well, which I can add. And also, as you can see, for employment history, so everything is here. So if I want to add blocks, something like languages, custom selection, and reference is really important. So if I click here, so simply this is going to add me this reference full name, which I can add the company and the phone and the email address. So everything that is really important for a CV or resume is here available, like hobbies, internships, as you can see, courses. So everything is here. So if I want to add something extra to this CV templates that it requires, so I'm going to add it from here. So simply I'm going to click next to download this resume. So here, when we are going to click at this download, so it's going to show me the final making of this CV templates. So here we are going to click on download. So as you can see, when we are going to click at the download, for 14 days you have to pay like $1, 1.45, and you can use this multiple professional templates. You can download it in any formats: doc, PDF, txt. You can infinite download, print, email included, and also compatible with all popular devices. You can create infinite resume and cover letters, which is not available when we are going to create that, but when you're going to pay, this cover letter is also going to be available. And also, the first thing that's not going to work with this starter package is this auto spell checker, but with this selected, which is $1.95, you can get this auto spell checker as well. For advance, for the monthly, as you can see, $9 or $10 you have to pay to this website. Honestly, if you want to make something like fast work and you want to be professional, so I recommend you to use this kind of tool if you're not skilled to use different apps for free to create your resume, because this resume is going to really help you to make your CV in just some minutes. So hope this really help you guys, and if you have any question or suggestion, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys until next video.